Hey everyone, we are live. Okay, so check the connection. Hey everyone, we are live. Okay, so everything is fine. Connection is not stable. Oh. So day 7, working on View Frenzy project. So let me just switch on the server for we can see. Okay, so there is some weird issue going on with YouTube right now, I think. Okay, it worked. So just a quick overview what we are doing today and what has been done. Yesterday I was working on very important features, which is defining the models, the schemas for ideas and for plans, whatever user will be to create, whatever user can create here, like ideas and plans. Ideas and plans are a bit different. And also yesterday I spent like a planning session to plan the execution of this. We will have a page for ideas and plans. We will have a page dedicated section for the board, which this board is like to track the status. And once the idea is turned into the plan, user can select them or place the plan on the board, and this board will be displaying the status. Displaying the status like in to do or in progress or done. So we were planning the base of this. We were planning how we will implement the ideas page, because the user will be able to create new ideas and how all this will look like. I want something like in the Notion. You know, in the Notion you have this rich text editor which allows you to format your pages however you want. So I want something similar. So turns out there are some nice packages which we will be installing on this project. Everything is in the plan already, so we will be doing that today. Also, there were I had a very important topic about context engineering to improve the AI on this app. Basically, I'll try to maximize the AI so it will be helpful for the user. Also, I planned yesterday different leveling system on this app, so it's a bit gamified, as to say. So user will be leveling up once the tasks are being completed, and leveling up will unlock a very interesting stuff, something like different personalities of AI coach which user can select. Each personality will have its own type of character, you know, so the way he speaks interacts with the user. But also I came up with one idea which is kind of to enhance this different AI coaches. So let's say one coach is good at something and the other one coach is good at the other thing, so it will be more interesting. And yeah, this is in the plans, but one issue happened is I had this terminal, Cloud terminals opened, and I had discussion ongoing because I ended stream yesterday without finalizing some stuff, and I today somehow lost this. So I'm trying to find maybe in the implementation plans so I can continue from that on. So not to forget, what was the main thing is having different AI personalities with, yeah, there are actually some amazing tools, yeah, to kind of replicate some of their success. And maybe, yeah, today also we will be doing some UI improvements for the components. So that's the plan for today. Yeah, the connection sucks a bit, so I hope we won't crash. Yeah, so I have some connectivity issue, or maybe it's to YouTube specific. So in case anyone writes in the chat, I might get the late response because really high latency for me. Okay, so okay, yeah, so what I wanted to do is, like, we have a plan which is a large feature, like 36 new files, and the cloud is asking want me to create step-by-step implementation and start execute, or would like to tackle a specific piece first. So yeah, I mean, I would like to kind of deal with this piece by piece, so not to one shot the whole plan. So, or it's possible and would be beneficial to engage and spawn, let's say, or create a worker team. Claude has these teams, right? So for this use case, would it be the right decision to spawn a team and let them work on this, so they work synchronously, communicate between each other, and implement this feature step by step, and also do the reviewing of code and stuff like that? What do you think about it? Okay, this is interesting. I have not used Cloud Teams yet, and it's a good use case, I think, to try, see how it works, see how many tokens it eats. Okay, so good question. They don't. Okay, so he says I can spawn the agents, but they can communicate with each other. They're independent workers. Let's report it back to me. There's no team that syncs, reviews each other work. Parallel agents are tricky. For this feature, the step is a plan are heavily sequential. The Prisma schema. Okay. Recommendation is to go through it piece by piece and implement one logical chunk at a time. Verify it works, then move to the next. Where, okay. Okay, so it could be that maybe like inside chat it doesn't have the knowledge that it has the team agents. So I will check the cloud door. Okay, so let's see. I mean, orchestrate 3 teams of cloud code session. So it's experimental. Okay, I'll just, or we see it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's start implementing my first chunk. From the Git changes, let's remove some logs. And yesterday, Claude generated some .server logs, and all the files that related to it. It's polluting the changes. Okay, so right now we are installing the dependencies like Noel Kit. This is for having a rich text editor. Dependencies installed. Now let's update the Prisma schema. Okay. Okay. Okay, while we are updating our schema, there was one thing I wanted to find after yesterday's session. So right now we are implementing the this plan ideas and this plan overview page and XP systems. This is about build the overview page. No, actually no. It's so weird actually. So this is the one. Yeah. Yeah, so I think I can't find the plan. Okay, no way it got deleted. No way it got deleted. So books. I need to check this. By the way, it has this plot has this thing. You can type BTW. It's like by the way, and ask something. Okay, so it's still queuing. Oh, okay, it's queuing. Won't answer me. Okay, so I think we have an issue. Yesterday I had the planning brainstorming session, and I planned a lot of stuff, like that ideas and plans are two different things. That idea can be converted into the plan, and that we need to have a dedicated page for content where ideas and plans could be switched by clicking the tab, and user has this rich text editor like in the Notion. So we had planned this yesterday and I can't find the markdown file. Can you try to find the markdown file of it, or maybe it's in another branch, the latest branch somewhere? Can you try to find this? Okay, so check the plan gamification. We created it yesterday, and what exactly do we have planned there? That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Yesterday, 2-hour planning session, and one of the files is gone. I just can't find it. File is gone from both main tree and work tree. Oh. That's so it's there. I just couldn't find it. Wait, so that's the file that you read in the beginning of conversation. So we have everything there, like whatever I told you and described you. So you found that file. Yes, exactly, towards start of the conversation. Yes, that would be crazy if I lose it. Yes, recreate it. If it's possible to recreate somehow. Okay, what's happening here is stuck. Okay, so the next plan is XP engine we need to do. Okay, coaching tasks, challenges. Okay, just add to that plan if it's not there already, that unlockable coaching, unlockable AI personalities also could have different knowledge. Like for example, one personality could be good at video editing and can advise some stuff in it. The other one could be good psychologist to help with procrastination or something. And so we'll have this type of AI personalities unlockable. Just note it in the plan. We created the full spec is back. Okay. Okay, so before I continue to next thing, let me check what has been done. Powers, okay. Okay, now I see you have, did you take out the goals and ideas folder out of the dashboard folder? Because yesterday we agreed that the dashboard folder will contain all the other stuff. The routes. Okay, just a moment. I'll be back, guys. So, okay, it's chunk one, so it didn't start. Okay, so let's start. Yo, Krish, what's up? Hmm. Okay, so how big is the plan? How many files will be? Can we start working on it, or um, some task from it needs some additional refining? Hey, what are you building? I'm building a YouTube coach assistant tool for YouTubers, small channels, to help them grow the channel, start content creation, and here will be a lot of interesting and useful stuff, like a dashboard where you have everything in one place to grow your channel, and it will have AI integrated, like an AI coach, and yeah, a lot of interesting stuff like leveling system, gaining experience, completing tasks, and yeah, so it will help people to successfully start the channel. So you were coding with Claude 3 and now it says to code tomorrow. Okay. You were using terminal or from the website, Claude? Which AI agent you can use? You can use I think Google Gemini has some free requests. You can try Google. ChatGPT also has like free tokens. You have how many years you mean in software? If that's what you are asking, I am 4 years working as a full stack developer. Cloud from the web, okay. Okay, try Google Gemini, Google Pro, like Gemini 3.1. I think it should have some free. Or DeepSeek, you can try. DeepSeek also has free. Also, you can try to find GLM. It could be free, but in some regions it's not free. By Kimi. Hey, thanks very much for subscribing. I hope you enjoy, and yeah, maybe find something meaningful here. Okay, so I have 2 planning sessions open. No, not one session is already executing the plan. I'm going like feature by feature, not to one shot the whole stuff. And yeah, right now it's just simple. I'm moving the content here, like in my folder. See the dashboard. I want to put some pages inside of it, so not many folders scattered across, so it's more organized. And right here I have some, basically I have planning files where I keep planning with Claude, and Claude creates the planning file, and I asked how big this file will be once we start executing, and it says like 22 new files. It's not that big and not too small. So domain services, I'm checking what is included there, what we will implement. New Prisma schema, new service functions, AI tools, challenge content. The systems is explicit, but there are no actual challenge templates. Yeah, challenge content will come late. UI placement. Why don't you use OpenClaw? Well, I don't find the need for it. Well, I don't know, like, why do I need it? Actually, OpenClaw is something that potentially could entertain me. I'm thinking just for future to use it, something like, I don't know, for fun, you know. For work specifically, I don't see any need in it. Like, you can just work perfectly with some AI like Claude or something. OpenClaw is more like, I think, like tinkering task. You know, you set it up, it runs 24 hours, and you can just text it with your phone and ask to do some stuff. You know, or try some experimentations and have fun. That's the purpose of it. Right now, I'm focused on like building this app, and I don't see any need for now in the OpenClaw. Do you have any suggestions how to use it, or why? Like, do you use yourself OpenClaw? Okay, chunk to is that, or page cell under migrated to dashboard, navigation updated with 6 items. Okay, so let's see. proceed, okay, so before we proceed, I'm thinking to commit this, and also please check the dashboard page tsx file, and we have force dynamic there set. Do we really need it? Okay, neither page has force dynamic. The changes on UZ it on main branch. Oh, okay. Okay, so yeah, I mean, OpenClaw is like a dangerous tool. Like, there's a high possibility that you can get malware, and a lot of people talking on that about the internet. Yes, because it is very trendy right now, and their marketing campaign was really big, and they got really very quickly famous. But it doesn't mean it's really good tool, and all the people talking about it because it's trendy, you know, like nowadays something is trendy, like every YouTuber, every content creator is making a video on it. But the more I investigated, I found that it's not that actually, it's nothing special, you know. You could replicate the same stuff with different tools that exist, but for experimenting and having fun, you know, you could set it up. I'm thinking like to set it up on some old laptop or something, and just, you know, for fun, I don't know, you can think of some things. You can message it and say, hey, just put on I don't know, do something like send this email, or like create some PR on some of my repos, or maybe ask it to, it has some integrations, you know, Spotify, Control Music, different tools. But yeah, I mean, right now I'm not focusing on it, but yeah, it is really trendy stuff. So should we remove the force dynamic? Okay, if we should, then remove it. Okay, so let's create a new branch on the feature that we're working and give it a relevant name to this branch and commit current changes to that branch, and then we can proceed to next chunk implementing. Okay, so created branch with single commit. You're back on my. Okay, so for some reason in my git changes I see the view frenzy and it. Is this a MERN stack? No, it's not a MERN stack. We are using Next.js, so we have like everything in one repository, the backend, the front end. So yeah, Next.js. Okay, so here's what changes. Okay, for some reason the internet connection is really bad, like my OBS studio is just trying to survive. Okay. I will start working on the UI on a second tab, I guess. Yes, let's continue with chunk 3 editor component. Okay, right now I will go to Twitch again. If my internet allows me to do so. I have some nice generated here. Okay, so let's see what we got. actually what I can do is just experiment and run the front-end design. Okay, I will run front-end design, I guess. First, I'll find the component, which is sidebar component. Okay, I'll run the front-end design. Let's run front-end design on the sidebar component. How do I get a Google login in my app? Okay, so the first thing you need to do, I think, is to go and get Google API. Okay, you need to get the Google API, and you need to get the key to integrate to set up the Google login. So you need to go to console.google.com, and there you can set up the authentication and create the key. Then you need to get that key and put it in your project. And the function to set up the login is not that hard. You can ask AI and it will generate. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, I think I'm reconnected. Okay, let me check. Okay, I think we're reconnected. Yeah, I will put the phone to charge. Yeah, I will put phone to charge so hotspot works. Okay, we're back. I think now it's fine. Internet should work or no? So I ran the front-end design plugin on the sidebar, so I think it should make it more beautiful. Okay, chunk 3 is done. We have editor component. It's the main component with autosave. Okay. Okay, this is interesting. Now, before I check that, actually, let's go here. Stitch. Let's check this page. Nothing there yet. Okay. Okay, I will review the changes now. There's no changes actually. Why don't I see any change? Something weird is happening. I think it is switching the branch, or what is happening. I don't see any changes that we implemented. Also, I'm on the main branch. I thought we checked out to other branch. Okay, it switched me to new branch, and that's how work trees. So I don't get completely. You implement the changes in which branch? So the chunk 3 that you have done, did you already commit it? Because in the git changes, in my IDE, I don't see it. So did you commit? That's why I don't see them. So yes, all chunks are committed. That's why you don't see. Okay, next time you execute a chunk, don't commit without asking me. I need to review it. And what have we achieved in the chunk 3? Okay, this one is working. Okay, let's see. So I will wait for this content design to finish on the main branch, so I commit it, and then I will switch to the board branch. Okay, I'm noticing already some stuff like this. It's already much nicer. Like we didn't have at least this hover animation, and actually no, it's fine. No, actually this got wider. This sidebar got smaller, but it's fine. Sidebar should not be that big. Okay, so it's done. And again, the same stuff, like not changes. Okay, it's showing up. Okay, let's now see. Let's review it a bit. Okay, so let's review. Okay, it's fine. I'll commit. Now I'll switch to our new branch. Yeah, I don't completely get what this work tree means. So in my IDE, I'm set on a main branch, and I try to switch to that Kanban branch that we created, but I get the error that as if I'm already switched to that branch in the work tree. What does it really mean? Can you explain? Okay, so Git does not allow you to have the same branch checked out in two places. Okay. Okay, so why would I use work trees over the branches? I don't understand. What's the benefit? Like, why did we even do this? So this music I'm listening, this is like a chill lo-fi and also at the same time ASMR. Like I'm hearing some background clicks. I'm thinking like, what is this? And it's in the music. Okay. So honestly, your workflow, there's for your workflow, there's no real benefit. Two branches simultaneously without switching. How? So I was running one agent on some. Okay, let's remove work tree for now. But I ran another cloud terminal which enhanced the sidebar UI. So how will I understand that won't be removed? Because I pushed it into the main, that change. So will it reflect in every work tree, the main that I pushed to it? Yes, go ahead, do that. Remove work tree, remove work tree. Yes, remove work tree, check out to board and merge main. Okay, I'll be back, guys. Just 2 minute break until it's generating. Okay, so Okay, now one question. So I see the context window is small and 2% left until auto compact in this session. So can I clear the context and then we have chunks left to execute? So can I clear context and continue with chunk 3? No, chunk 3 is already implemented. Chunk 4. What is the chunk 4, by the way? Clear the context. Okay, then clear the context and continue with chunk 4. Okay, let's go back to UI for a second and okay, so we have the overview page. Chat opens up the chat. Okay, goals. And okay, we have ideas and plans. We don't have create button yet. We have the board which will be implemented. Okay, so what can we do the UI wise? It feels more fresh, more beautiful. I'll go to 20% dev. Yeah, what is this, by the way? Okay, it's something interesting. Actually, this one I will need. Okay, this I will keep it future and see CTAs. What do we have? We need more like components like boxes and stuff like that. Okay, let's see what's happening in the code. Okay, this is interesting that this could be used for some feature. Okay, footer we don't have right now. Okay. Yeah, this could be, I think, used for greeting text dashboard. Okay, I think I'll get back to this 21st dev later. It's kind of glitchy. Okay, actually one idea I have, I'll just throw this image to Stitch. Try to make this page more beautiful. Maybe also try to add nice gradient on the center of the content, and try to refine it to make it more beautiful. Okay, so it's finished. Let's see what it implemented. Chunk 4 ideas feature is complete. We have several actions for it. Ideas page. Okay, ideas grid. Idea card, new idea. Okay, cool. Porting, plan data layer. Poster. Okay. Okay, before it commits, first I'll check the UI. Ideas, content. Okay, cool. Ideas, plans. Let's just test if it's working. Ideas. Okay, let's try the new idea. Okay, so I don't know. New video idea. And typing, so I can type or I can slash comments. I don't see any comment. Okay, hey, idea, save, idea created. Okay, do we have board? No, it. We have. Okay, let's say I create idea. Second idea. Okay, task plan the idea. Okay, so this is kind of when I click on it, it shows me right here. Okay, so yeah, I'll try to edit. I can't edit. Okay, new one. Okay, there's some bug. Okay, so it's scrollable like this. The hell yeah. Okay, so right now I created new idea. It works, but when I type slash command, nothing is seen on the screen. Is it not ready yet? Do we need to implement this in next chunks? Hey Nicola, this SaaS about YouTube growth. This is for YouTubers who want to start their content creation. They have small channels, and this will be like a YouTube assistant with a lot of useful tools and also AI integrated that will help them like with coaching, plan ideas for new videos, give feedback, and analyze analytics and all this stuff. So basically for a YouTube career. Yeah, I mean, well, I'll start checking the code. What is there? What's going on there? We added toaster. This is actions. Dashboard content ideas actions. Okay, create idea, update idea. Okay, I see there are a lot of bugs, I think. I'll try to delete one. Okay, deleted. Please delete works. Now need to understand why slash command doesn't work. Okay, so I was missing it should work now. Okay, now what I want to check. Okay, so the plans, when I click the plans in the on the content page, there is no button to create new plan. Also on the ideas page, I don't see edit. How can I edit the idea? Also, one thing I noticed on ideas page, page.tsx, I see in the top of the component something like we are getting session from the auth and checking if there is user ID. If not, we are redirecting to login. Like, what is this code about? Is it like checking whether user is logged in or no? Should we not have this placed into protected route instead of checking it like this? Or what's the purpose of it? Okay, let's go now to test again to create new idea. Let's test. Command. Thing happens. Redirect login is redundant. Okay, but we still need how to get session user ID for fetching data or ownership. This is to get the user IDs. Okay, so about that point, regarding points that we still need to fetch the session and user ID to find the idea, can we not create some auth provider that provides this necessary information to all the components? Like, is it the right way to fetch session like this in each component to get the user ID? Okay. I don't think it's the right way. Like, it's just crappy code, you know. Again, by the AI. Now, regarding editing, let's check if we can edit the idea. Okay, so I'm clicking idea and I'm on ideas page, yes, right? But there is no way so I can edit. What did I do? Regarding ideas page, I click on the idea and it opens up, but there is only 3 buttons, which is promote to, plan, and delete, and basically I can edit it. Okay, right. Okay, got it. It's working. And then let's go with this question. If we can just create some auth provider that each component can get. Okay, let's see. So meaning that actually we have a provider, I think auth provider, to directly fetch the user ID from there, maybe. Now it's clear. Okay, now I'll try to continue checking the code. Once it's fine, I just I will just commit it and proceed to next chunk. Okay, this is idea page. Okay, it's fine for now. The code is following our rules for most part, from what I checked. Okay, handle title change, idea editor. This looks kind of messy, I think. Hmm. Okay, so once I type dash comments when created new idea, it's still like, and nothing happens. Like, should this show me some drop down of comments? Actually, I didn't restart it. Maybe that could be the reason. Try to restart it. Be the reason. No, nothing happens. Okay, so I try to understand this package I installed. which lets the user create like idea, and it should be like Notion style. I'll show you how it should be. For some reason it's not working. You just type slash here, work action. Okay, let's restart the server. Okay, let's try. Okay, see, now it works. Slash, whatever commands, no. Okay, slash, and we have something, text. How does it work actually? Okay, numbered list works. Bullet list. Okay. Just spider with quote. Okay. Cool, but the headings are not there. Large heading. Okay, it's not it. Didn't work. Okay, so this is a good error message to indicate. Okay, I tested it now and it works. Except it doesn't work for the headings. Like when I set the dash headings, the size doesn't change. And also, I try to save it now. When I edit some blocks from this package, like quotes and divider, stuff like that, and I get the arrow and try to save this idea. Here is the error. Okay, so what was the error? Heading sizes plus from tailwind handles. Okay. Okay, so in that case, it says it's fixed. So let's see. Okay, let's save it again. Okay, I get same error. Try once again. Try text. Try heading. Is not being applied. Okay, maybe I should restart the server once again. Okay, let's try. Old luck. Divider we have. Okay, try to save. Okay, this is saved. Now, okay. Now, what doesn't work still is the headings. And also I want to test one thing. Let's say I copy some stuff. Copy. And like this. So it has links and it's formatted. Let's try to set. Okay, it works actually. Hey, one issue. What is this? Okay, so okay, saving issue got fixed. Right now I copied some article from another website which has links and is formatted text, and I pasted it into IDEA and it saved it successfully. Then I try to move to another page and I get this hydration error. What is it about? Appeared, but okay, so also the headings don't work when I dash and set choose like large heading. It still does not type as large heading. Okay, while it generates, I'll check to see to get the new design. Okay, this was my screenshot. I provided it. It's not what I expected. Okay, I will try one thing actually. This. Yep. And let's go to the main page. And let's ask for redesign. Let's see what it does. Refine a bit to make it more beauty cozy. Okay, let's see what we got here. Still doing it. Okay. Let's try more thing. Okay, no, it doesn't work, and it's just annoying that I don't know how to fix this bug. Okay, so heading doesn't work still. And how are you trying to fix it? Show me the place. What do you think is creating this bug? So it's inside the editor, I guess. Okay. Something's here. Global CSS. Why is it looking like L? Global CSS. This. This is the one. Now no. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, works now. Okay, I think it's fine for now. Of course, like Notion is super cool compared to this, but yeah, that's why it makes so great. So for now, I think it's fine. Let it be like this. So is this file slash command? Sure. Okay. Slash command. Okay, it's cool. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay, let's commit this and let's continue with the next chunk to implement. And what is the next chunk also? Tell me. the dashboard overview page. Let's make it more nice, beautiful, enhance it. Also, let's implement loading animation for the components on overview page. Okay, I think that's it. Don't know what else can I tell. Okay, plan. I can test plan creation. Then the next one is the board. Okay, let me check before that. This one. Oh, okay. I asked to redesign the version and something crazy. I don't like it. Okay. Okay, so I guess I can test it now. Let's go to content. Okay, go to play. Create a new plan. Okay, so tab doesn't select it. Okay, I'll try one thing. Copy. Okay, let's see if it saves. Also, I need like have this. Okay, we don't have color change. Nice. Status. So the plan has like this: status, idea, planning, priority. Okay. Board. Okay, added to board, but we don't have board yet. Okay. Moved from board. This is crazy. Okay. Okay, I need you to give me 5 variations, different color palettes on this. Try experiment something, but all of them should be light colors and kind of cozy, you know. So it's the board. No, not. Okay, inside the dashboard, content, plans, components, plan editor.tsx. Why are we doing dynamic import of the editor there inside the editor function? Will the wrapper like lazy editor be the more better solution? Hey, which SaaS are you building? I'm building YouTube growth coach. This will be a dashboard for small YouTubers to grow their channel, and it will have a lot of tools like creating ideas, goals, milestones, and it will have AI integrated. This AI will be like a coach, helping with ideas, videos, analyzing, and also giving the feedback to the user. So all the helpful tools for small YouTubers to start. This is the idea. Okay, so these are alternative versions for the different colors for the project. Chili, oh, I don't like them. Yeah, I'm using Cloud Code. Yeah, I'm using Cloud Code. Here I have the terminals. Yes, I'm vibe coding everything for this project. Otherwise, I simply won't be able to build this. It's such a big thing. Like, I would need, I don't know, I think 10 months maybe. So vibe coding is the only option. I'm just streaming it for 2 hours, 3 hours, you know. So I want to just finish it like faster than 10 months. So vibe coding was the option. What is this music? Okay. Okay, so now, okay, guess we are good to go to commit this. Yeah, let's commit this. Let's name this commit something like, what did we do? Edit plans page and all the actions of plans creation, and also enhance the dashboard overview page with UI. Let's push this and we can what, no upstream okay, we are not pushing yet, we are just coming. Okay, now okay, we can proceed with next chunk. I already committed the changes, so we can proceed working on the next chunk. So the way I work with this is I start with planning with AI, and I create a markdown file of a big plan that's on some feature, and then I prefer to like work chunk by chunk, like implementing step by step this whole plan instead of just letting the AI work on the whole feature like in one go. Okay guys, I guess while it's implementing, I'll go a couple of minute break and then we're gonna continue. Okay, so let's see the results. Go to the board. Okay, so this is our board. No drag and drop. Okay. Okay, so we have an idea, which should be actually okay. So add plan. Okay, so I'll create a new plan. Let's see, plan 2. And I type something here. Wait. Format tutorial, let's say tag I save and show on the board. Okay, save board. Okay, we have it here. I guess we can drag it like this. Planning in progress. Refresh the page. Okay, we have a bug. Okay, so what's the issue here? Okay, so on the board page we have hydration error. We have this hydration error on the board page, and on the board page we have a bug. When I drag the plan to the other section like planning or in progress, and if I refresh the page, it's get back to idea column. Now, why is this happening? Okay, let's go to the overview page, and okay, there's some can we make once the page loads some animation for the components appearing? So So what happens once the user drags the component? Does it update the status in the database? And how are we managing the state there? Do we need some state management, or how are we doing that? Also, in general, how do you review the performance of that component? User experience wise. Okay, this is much better. Okay. So, can you just review this app and tell me how complex it will be to create it as a desktop software? And also the let's say smaller version of it as an iOS app or Android app, not having all the features, but let's say for Android something like notification pusher, and for iOS like mobile. So mobile I basically will be like calendar, maybe a notification pusher, see the to-do list and stuff like that. User drops the card. Okay, fires, calls, updates, state, server action. Actually, we need plan for addressing all this issue, and also we should limit the board for, I don't know, 20 items or something like this. Okay, regarding the desktop app, the C option, what benefits does it give you over A option, over Electron? And also for the desktop app, like let's say I go with option A, Electron, what is the price? How much will you need to spend to do it? Okay, let's test the UI now. How will it work? Okay, now it works. I'll briefly go through code. Okay, inside a dashboard, board components, board card.tsx. There is format labels object, which has the short tutorial stream. Is this used like constants? Maybe, not maybe, but let's put such stuff not on the component level, but put it some, I don't know, on the root level. Find some folder. I think we have types or consts, and consider maybe using them as enums would be better option. What about the price for the mobile deployment, like App Store or Android? I see you put in constants folder plan.ts, and there I see also styling. Don't put styling into constants folder, put styling on the component level. Okay, now let's commit this. Okay, so we were implementing chunk by chunk that plan. Do we have anything left in that plan to implement? Okay, so I guess I will check if anything is left to implement, but overall I think we are done for today. And what have been achieved for today? Let me check. What have been achieved for today is these 2 pages. First of all, enhance the overview page where you can see the how smooth animation and the page loads and hover animations. So but the main thing that was implemented today was this page content page, which has ideas and plans. User can create new idea, he can format it nicely, like press this dash and have commands like code block, like doesn't matter. Quote block, not quote block, but tab is not working. I need to fix this. So this is a quote, let's say, and I think and adjust it. We also, yeah, I need to fix some stuff that it make it bigger, change the color, stuff like that. So all of this working, and yeah, so user can save it. The idea is the markdown file. It's only can be found in ideas, but idea can be promoted to plan. Yeah, now we are in the plans, and we do this new idea. It was an idea, it was promoted to plan. Plan has a priority, format, challenge, let's say. Let's save, and we have an option to display it on the board. Here's the board. We also implemented the board today. This is the board. UI is nothing special for now, but it will be, I'm planning to improve it. So basically the board is a place where you can display your plans. Like you can schedule them. You can put plan as an idea, which means you didn't start working on it, and you can just create a new plan, or you can add the existing plans. So since we added the idea to the plans, now it's showing up new ideas. Here we click. Okay, I found another bug. When I clicked, it didn't edit, only after refresh it appeared. Okay, need to deal with it. Okay, so we see the idea appear. Now user can drag this planning idea. Planning, he can drop into improve progress and publish. So it's like a Kanban board which will be improved. It's just a basic setup for it done. And yeah, this was done for today. Okay, so I think tomorrow I'll have a stream where I will be continuing improving this stuff and adding some other stuff. Once I finish with all of it, then I'll start working on improving the AI agent and manage all this stuff and do it for the user. And yes, today I'm planning actually to finish the stream right now, and then I'm planning actually work on an edited video. I'm planning to release a new video this week if I manage, but there is a lot of editing actually going on for that video. Maybe next week. Yeah, most of the time takes the editing for that. I am kind of doing analogy with Lord of the Rings, so AI and Lord of the Rings, that's the plan. And yeah, so we'll be doing that today. So today was a nice 3-hour stream, so I'll definitely stream tomorrow. It's Saturday, and yeah, gonna continue stuff for this. So thanks everyone for watching, thanks for subscribing, and yeah, hopefully see you next time.